Hello and welcome to the new project that I'm starting, which would be, as you may see, Ori Mothership. But today we will actually do something different. You see, I got quite a lot of requests to showcase how I actually made the models. Not just how the models looks, but also how I model everything basically from scratch. So I decided that considering now I am doing this project, that I can theoretically show it. Uh, Please bear in mind I have never done videos such as this, so I'm not sure how the final edit will look, if that would be even interesting to watch. So consider this a kind of experiment, I guess. Okay, so I will go straight into it. Now, when I am doing the models for 3D printing, there are usually two approaches that I take. First is that I use reference pictures, ideally such pictures that can be used in the views top, right and front. And basically making reverse engineering, I am basically redrawing those pictures in CAD, extrude everything and then add details and so on and so forth. This approach I did when I designed my 303, my Prometheus, my 304, and I'm not sure what else. And then there is a second approach that I kind of prefer more because I'm a lazy bastard, and that's that I simply take a 3D model, STL file of 3D model that we use in our game, and basically use it as a 3D reference. And based on it, I create the 3D model anew, completely from scratch, so that it's roughly basically copying the shape of the reference, and then of course add all those details and so on and so forth. And this is actually the approach that I took today. So basically this is a STL file of the Ori Mothership from our game. So I will take this as a reference. Okay, and I already made the model. I did not really record that because I guess that wouldn't be that interesting, but I made one very big mistake. You see, whenever I'm doing this approach of recreating models uh, using STL from our games as a reference, the first thing that I always need to do is to measure the overall length of the model, because that's how the model will be long when it's done. And unfortunately, in this case, I did not do it. I did not do it. I completely forgot, and I realized that only when I basically finished uh, this model that I made. And considering how many features it has in its model tree, I cannot simply scale it, because then it would basically crashed. Some of those features would 100% sure failed. So basically what I did is I exported this rough model as a step file and imported it back into Creo. Thus it was one solid geometry without any features, and then I scaled it down into half, because this model is a little bit over 900 millimeters long, so it's almost a meter long, and I really don't want such a beast. So now when I have it half the size, it's some 45 centimeters. Okay, I will simply just show the what I did here. Yeah, as you can see, quite a lot of stuff, quite a lot of features. But doing this basic rough model is not that interesting, so that is why I did not even record it, because I don't think that would be really interesting, but I will take you through. So first I made basically shape like this. I won't go feature after feature, but yeah, let's say then I will go here. Yeah, then basically this. Then I decided it would be better if I simply do only 1/2 because the model is symmetric. Yeah, now you can see that not much changed because now we are entering the details. Well, details, not really details because this is just a rough model, but yeah, I can say that those could be called details. Yeah, more of those. Okay, here I was starting to work on the back. Yeah, and now we are almost done. And finally, basically, this is it. So, I basically took this ship, made a step, imported it once again, and scaled it down. And from that, we had this. And this is the rough model that I will work on. So, as you can see, there is already few features because I already started to work on it, but I will basically go here. So, this is the exact same model that we have seen before, only a half a scale. But I already noticed that there are a few differences between this and the model that was used in the show. So I started to actually change it to be more like in the show. So basically I started first with this area because it was really different. So yeah, I made it to look more like in the picture, and this is basically what I intend to record, the creation of those details and whatnot. Okay, so I guess that the first thing that I would like to do is those front window segments, I guess. Mm-hmm. I see it goes. Okay. So I will go through and I will drive a second direction and I will remove the material. Okay, and we will do it until here. Okay. Alright. Now I think that the opening is way too wide, so I will do an offset. That would be 3 millimeters. Yeah, okay. And that would close it. Okay. Now, it seems that it's divided into 4 segments. So we will divide that into 4 segments. Okay, this will be 5, let's say. 12 and okay. Ah, I see. I cannot count because there are only 4 segments, not 5. Ah. Okay, so okay. And let's extrude it through here. Ah, shit. We have to have the second, and that will go inside. Okay, so we have the opening. I think I will get rid of this as well. Okay, that looks better. Alright. And now we have to make those window segment here as well. They are okay, so basically here and above it. Okay, but it's, yeah, I see. It's rather flat. Okay, so let's say something like this. So 40, let's say 5 millimeters. Okay, 88. Yeah, theoretically it could be like this. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So this, then I will mirror it to the second side here, okay. And then I have to close it and fill it up a little. Okay. In here, here, here and here, and we will basically take this off and make it perpendicular. Okay. Then not, we will do it like this. And basically we will do it up till this. And once again I will mirror it on the second side. And here I think that, yeah. So I will split the surface. And I will use remove. Okay, so this side is clear. This side not yet, so split. And remove. Okay. Alright, so now it's prepared. Actually, I think that maybe this could be fixed as well. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, but I will do the same for the second side. Okay. Yeah, and there are 2 rows. Yeah, okay, so... Yeah, what I will also add it here. Oh no. Okay, I will leave it like this. Okay. Okay, and inside will be inserted the something that resembles those winds. Windows. Okay, and basically we have to do the second area here. Yeah, roughly starting here. Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, 13, 12. Mm-hmm. And we will go both sides. Yeah, like this. Once again, I will mirror it. Now I will rotate this surface so it's not under such an angle. I leave 8. Okay, and the same from the other side. Mm-hmm. And once again we have to use around. Okay. Yeah, now we have the opening for the windows. And basically we can now move to some different areas. Like for example the ring that is here. It has all those interesting patterns there. So I would like to recreate that as well. Yeah, the only thing that I am not sure about is all those reliefs here and there. I'm not sure if I would be able to actually reproduce them. Um, Maybe, hopefully, we'll see. Okay. Yeah, but now let's focus on this area. Yeah, I think it's already starting to take shape. Starting to look like Ori Mothership. Okay, so basically we have to fill the rest. Yeah, let's say like this. Okay, and now I can basically add those, I don't know how to call it. I guess those are not windows. Those thingies. Yeah, let's call it thingies. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that is done. And we can now continue with other details. Alright, I think that this is where I will end the video, because I still think that this is not really that interesting. Well, leave a comment and let me know if I should basically continue in that or not, because I don't really think that there will be, well, demand for videos like this. Okay, in any case, thank you for watching. I hope you at least somewhat enjoyed it and have a very nice day. Bye bye.